Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve when 8 power A is equals to 27 power B is equals to 125 power C is equals to 30 and we have to find the value of ABC by AB plus BC plus C. So let's start with today's video and their solution. So I can write 8 power A is equals to 30 or A is equals to 30 power 1 by A. Similarly, I can write 27 as 27B is equals to 30 and 27 is equals to 30 power 1 by B. Now 125 power C is equals to 30 and 125 is equals to 30 power 1 by C. Now I consider it as equation number 1, this as 2 and this one is as equation number 3. Now I'm going to multiply the 3 equations with this themselves. First multiply second, multiply third. So the LHS is 8 multiply 27 multiply 125 is equals to 30 power 1 by A multiply 30 power 1 by B multiply 30 power 1 by C. Now I can write 8 as 2 power 3, similarly 27 as 3 power 3 and 125 as 5 power 3. And this is 30 power 1 by A times 30 power 1 by B times 30 power 1 by C. Now we have a property that is A power x times B power x times C power x. We can write it as A, B, C whole power x. And the other property is if x power A times x power B times x power C. So we can write it as x and A plus B plus C power. So we are going to apply this one in LHS and this one in RHS. So LHS I can write it as 2 times 3 times 5 whole power 3 is equals to 30 power 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So if I'll multiply the brackets, so 2 times 3 times 5 is 30. So 30 power 3 is equals to 30 power 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Now, if the base are same, that means the power are also equals to each other. So we can write 3 is equals to 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So I'll take the LCM. So LCM is ABC. And here BC plus AC plus AB. Now we have to find the value of ABC by AB plus BC plus C. So I can reciprocal. So what it becomes 1 by 3 is equals to ABC over AB plus BC plus CA. So the value of AB plus BC plus CA is 3 and whole value is 1 by 3. I hope it's easy to solve and understandable. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.